Hi there, students. To subside, a verb. Subsidence, the noun. Okay, to subside means to decrease, to become less intense, to become less strong, to become less violent. So his anger subsided after an hour or so. It gradually subsided. If the pain doesn't subside, I suggest you take some paracetamol. We are hoping that the violence will subside. Okay, will decrease, will get less, will become less strong or extreme. Notice as well, if a piece of land subsidence, it drops down to a lower level. So sometimes you have a house where part of the foundations are not good and one side of it subsides. It may well collapse if that happens. Maybe you could have a flood and the water goes very high and then it begins to subside after a couple of days. Okay, so to become less intense, to become less violent. After a couple of days, the storm subsided, it abated, it let up, it eased up, it calmed down. Yeah, the flood subsided, it receded, it ebbed, it falled back. Yeah, okay. You can also use this figuratively. The serious meeting subsided into jokes and everybody laughing. Okay, so to subside, to reduce until something has gone. Yeah, I guess you are standing and you could subside into your seat. Yeah, there was very strong resistance initially, but the resistance subsided. You could have, yeah, the fighting subsided. It became less intense. After several days of riots, the violence subsided. You can insure your house against subsidence, yeah, against part of it, the land below it sinking. Yeah. Okay. So to subside, to become less intense, to become smaller, to become less prominent, to decrease, to diminish, to lessen, to ease, to moderate, to dwindle, wane, to recede, to ebb, to abate, to let up, to peter out, to slacken off. Yeah, there's quite a few for you. And then to sink or to cave in or to collapse. Yeah, to drop, to fall downwards as well. Okay, so when a building subsides, cracks normally appear in the walls. Yeah, uh, they they waited until the wind had subsided before they decided to play their game. Yeah, the roads subsided into a great big hole in the ground. Yeah, unless the fever subsides, you should take some sort of medicine. So to sink, to settle, to go downwards, and that's the idea. I guess to subsidize or a subsidy is to stop something from dropping, to stop something from subsiding. Let's see. As to formality, I think I would probably give this a 6 in formality, but use it absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin subsido, to settle or to subside, sub, under, and sido, which itself comes from Proto-Indo-European, sidetsi, to sit or to remain. So it's got this idea of sitting or going downwards. Yeah, I think see though, to sit down. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Subside, subsidence. I think you can also say subsidence.